Hi there. What a nice experience this week. Our students learned how to add records, modify them and delete them from a relational database. Definitely something they will need.
Hi. It is hard to disagree. What would you do with a DBMS otherwise? Manipulating data is the very reason why you have one in the first place. Anything specifically that you would like me to discuss?
I believe in general the lesson was rather easy and straightforward. Maybe the only part that could need some clarifications is the use of onDelete and onUpdate clauses when deleting and updating records.
I see. The need for these clauses is rooted in the referential integrity constraint. Do you remember it?
Sure I do. If one table, the referring one, has a foreign key against another table, the referred one, then the foreign key can either be null or it must have a value that exists in the referred table. Am I right?
As always. For example, if the student table has a column representing the ISO code of the nation the student was born in, this ISO code would be the foreign key against the nation table. Each student must have either a null code or a ISO code that exists in the nation table.
Crystal clear. So now, what about those clauses?
Imagine now you want to delete one country from the nation table. What would happen to those students with an ISO code of that country? The DBMS has three options. It can prevent you from deleting the country in the first place, it can delete the country and set the corresponding ISO codes to null, or it can delete the country and delete all the students that refer to that country. You can decide this by using the onDelete cascade and onDelete set null clauses.
Wonderful. And now I imagine the same thing happens with the onUpdate cascade and onUpdate set null. Right?
Correct again. You impress me. If you want to change the ISO code in the nation table, then you must either set the corresponding ISO code in the student table to null, or change it accordingly.
Thank you very much, Sophie. Goodbye.
It was my pleasure. Talk to you.